Integration is easy. Just add your domain, set up your DNS records, and you're good to go. All your traffic will be routed through CloudFilt CDN WAF, which not only filters threats in real time, but also optimizes content delivery. From here, you'll get real-time alerts for suspicious logins, scraping attempts, or detected fraud, allowing you to respond instantly and keep your infrastructure secure. And with CloudFilt CDN WAF's highest tier, you'll be able to secure 100 websites at once, unlock advanced security and peak performance for one low price. Click Buy Now to get lifetime access to CloudFilt CDN WAF today.
CloudFilt brings together a high-performance content delivery network and an advanced web application firewall. That means your website becomes safer and faster from the moment it is active. With a few simple settings, it starts filtering out bad traffic right at the network edge before it can touch your server. You stay in full control while CloudFilt handles the heavy lifting in the background. From tracking every blocked threat to managing access rules, it gives you a full view of what is happening on your site in real time. Whether you run WordPress, Joomla, or Magento, setup is smooth and does not require coding. You can define trusted internet protocol addresses, block scraping attempts, and even get alerts when suspicious actions happen. The best part is how affordable it is. One code lets you protect 5 websites with 500,000 monthly requests per site. You can scale up to 50 websites and 2 million requests each by stacking up to 4 codes. And since it's a one-time purchase on AppSumo with a 60-day money-back guarantee, the risk is low and the upside is high. If you want stronger protection, faster load times, and less time wasted on managing threats, CloudFilt CDN WAF is a smart investment. It brings enterprise-level defense to small and growing websites without the complexity.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to check the description below for lifetime deal link. Also like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more video.